International Counsellor Workshop is such amazing opportunity for any school or university around the world. And the reason is it's actually combined with three of the top agencies in Turkey. I guess they are the largest in Turkey. So those three agencies, they get together and they are bringing all the counselors from all over Turkey for 2 days to meet with your school. I can't tell you how much it's a great opportunity, because if you go to other traditional workshops, usually you meet with the owners and the owners have to take all the information to the directors. Directors take it to the branch managers. Branch managers has to filter the information to the counselors. Guess how many information will be missed by the time counselors hear the information. Here, when you come, you will be meeting directly with all counselors of all those agencies. I can't wait to come next year and to see this great workshop grow more, and we see more agencies, so we can help our great Turkish counselors promote our schools to the dear Turkish students. Thank you so much.